staying safe at home, taking the necessary precautions and doing your work. So yes students, in the last session we have completed our exercise 3.5 and I have given you only 2 problems to complete, and I hope that measuring tape problem by using division method, that is finding LCM, you got it. Yes, so today we will start our next topic, that is relationship between LCM and HCF, or HCF and LCM. Okay, so we have come to know what are the methods to find HCF, what are the methods to find LCM, both, right? Now what is the relationship between them? So here we have given a small example. So before starting, please open your classwork, term book and pencil and open page number 42. Page number 42. See here, consider the examples 18 and 27. Here they have given two numbers and the LCM of 18 and 27 is 54. Okay, and next the HCF of 18 and 27 is 9. So the value of LCM is how much? 54, whereas value of HCF is 9. So now when you multiply this, both 54 into 9, when you multiply HCF into LCM, the answer is 54 into 9. When you multiply this two, you are getting the answer as 486. Directly if you are multiplying both, what are the actual values? What is the LCM we have found for 18 and 27? These are the actual numbers, and the LCM of 18 and 27 is 54, HCF of 18 and 27 is 9. But if I multiply directly 18 into 27, I get the answer as 486. So with this, what we have understood, if what is it now? HCF into LCM is equals to product of two numbers. We already know what are the relations. Yes, product of two numbers. HCF into LCM we are getting 486. If we directly multiply the given numbers, we are getting the same answer. Is it clear? Yes. So what is here? Relationship between HCF into LCM is equals to product of two numbers. They said no, but we don't know what are those numbers. So we are taking some numbers A into B. Somewhere it is, that is A into B. HCF into LCM is equals to A into B. Then don't say teacher by A and B, one or some other values. We are taking product of two numbers, means any two numbers, so I have taken here A and B. Okay. So what is relation? HCF into LCM is equals to A into B. So what you are going to write, please mention the heading relationship between HCF and LCM, and no need of writing this off. Now you write, put a star mark and write the formula. HCF into LCM is equals to product of two numbers. Then you write HCF into LCM equals to A into B. Now I want, supposedly they have given the value of HCF and they are given the value of A into B and asked you to find what is LCM. So now what is the formula for that? You write in the Roman number 1 below this, you write LCM is equals to A into B by HCF. By HCF. This HCF is in multiplicative form, right? When it goes on the right side, it divides. It will be getting divided. Here it is in the multiplicative form, and it goes on the right side, it will be in the division form. Okay? It gets divided. Similarly, if they gave the value of LCM and they asked to find what is HCF, well, interchange of values, that is HCF is equals to A into B by LCM. Okay. Now you can ask what is A and B. Simply is nothing but if you multiply both HCF into LCM into HCF into LCM, you will get A and B. Okay. Yes. Now one more condition is also there. They said two numbers, right? So there is this. Now HCF into LCM equals to A into B, right? Now supposedly they have given only one of the value A and they asked you to what is the final value of B. They have given the value of A. They have given the value of HCF. LCM. They asked you to find B. So what you will do? Third condition you write down, that is B is equals to HCF into LCM by A. HCF into LCM by A. The next fourth one, it gave you value of B and asked you to find the value of A. So HCF into LCM by B. Why we are writing A? There are two numbers. They said the product of two numbers. Here the product was like 18 and 27 are two other numbers. This we have multiplied. We got 486. Now I am telling this A is 18 and B is 27. For in the question, sometimes they may give you only value of 18 and ask you to find what is B here. So what is the formula? HCF into LCM by A. A is nothing but 18. We will divide, then we will get the answer. That is our next value, that is 27. And sometimes I will give the value of B and ask you to find what is A. So what you will do, you will divide this HCF into LCM by B. You will get the value of A. These are the relationship between LCM and HCF. First is what? HCF into LCM is equals to product of two numbers, or the product of two numbers you can write as A and B. If they gave you HCF and product of two numbers and ask you to find what is LCM, you use the formula of LCM is equals to A into B by HCF. And if they ask you to find HCF, you write A into B by LCM. And if they ask only to, they told you find the other number, means supposing they gave one number, so what we will do will HCF into LCM by A, we will get the B. If they ask for A, HCF into LCM by B, we will get the value of A. Okay, these are the rules. Please copy them in your classwork. Yes. Next, based on this, we have our next exercise, that is 3.6. I hope you are clear, and please do read, learn this all formulas. Okay, this will be very easy. Maybe you are getting confused. What is this A? What is this B? What is LCM? What is LCM? LCM. When you solve your problems, it will be very easy, very convenient. Okay. Yes. Our exercise is 3.6. See what is the first one? Find the LCM and HCF of the following numbers. We have to find both HCF and LCM of the given numbers. Exercise. Please open your classwork. In the new page, you write exercise 3.6. Write down the first bit heading. First bit heading and write down first question. Okay? First one. See, they told we have two methods for finding LCM and HCF. There is a prime factorization method in HCF as well as in LCM. There is a division method in HCF and a LCM. Let us use division method, or we can even use prime method. Yes, prime factorization method. Okay. So I am using this division method. First one is 15, 24. Exercise 3.6. First bit, first one. 15, 24. What I am finding first? I am finding LCM of 15, 24. First LCM, then we will find the. Now, what is for division method? We should write at a time both the lines, that is 15, 24. Now, if you see in two tables, we should start with least prime number, that is 2, but here it is 5, which cannot be divided with 2. So here it is 24. Let us go with 3 table. 3 5s are 15. Next, 3 8s are 24. Next, again if you see 5 1s are 5, again 8 1s are 8. Simply what is the value here? So LCM of 15, 24 is 3 into, okay, let us write again. LCM of 15, 24 is equals to 3 into 5 into 8. 3 into 5 into 8. 5 3s are 15. 15 8s is what? 5 8s are 40. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. It is 120. What is the answer? 120. LCM of 15, 24 is 120. You can even say this 15 and 24 are co-primes because it is having the common factor as 1. Okay? So I hope you have written. Let's go with LCM. Sorry, HCM. Now HCF by continued division method. HCF of 15, 24. 24 is a large number, so we will divide with 15. 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. We don't want 30, so 15. So 15 ones are 15. We cannot subtract 5 from 4. So if you borrow, this is 1 and this will be 14. 14 minus 5, 9. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. Now again this 9 becomes the, that is remainder will become the divisor, and divisor 15 will become the dividend. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 80, but we want, we'll take 9 ones are 9. 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9 is 6. Again if you divide, now 9 in 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So 6 ones are 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. Again when you divide the 6, 6, 3 twos are 6, 6 minus 6 is 0. So what is the HCF of this 2 is 3. HCF of 15 comma 24 is 3. Okay. Now they even asked you for what is the last, check the relationship. Even we have to check the relationship. What is the HCF? Just now we got, that is 120, right? Okay, if you have written this, we will find, we will do the checking. This is 3, right? Let us check. To check what is the formula, that is A into B is equals to HCF into LCM, right? Now A into B is equals to HCF into LCM. What is actually A? A is 15 and B is 24. What is HCF we got? We got HCF as 3 and LCM is 120, right? Now 120 into 3. Nothing but 12. 3 is 82, you will get it. 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3, that is 360. Now let us see, if we got 15 into 24, 360, then our answer is HCF and LCM are right. Okay. So let us multiply 24 into 15. 5 fours are 20, 2, 0. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Next, 1 fours are 4, 1 twos are 2. Now when you add 0, 4 plus 2 is 6, 360. That means our HCF and LCM are exactly right. Did you get it? Yes. Okay. Now what you do? First you find HCF, LCM, and then you have to check using the formula. That is A into B is equals to HCF into LCM. If you get both the answers right, then your HCF and LCM are right. Okay. The same way you can try the second one. Okay. Let's go with the second question. If the LCM of two numbers is 216 and the product is 7776, what will be its HCF? Just now we have written the formulas for HCF. If you recollect, it will be very good. Yes. They are saying that LCM of two numbers is what? Solution. LCM equals to how much they have given? 260. Next, product of two numbers is nothing but A into B. Product of two numbers. Nothing but A into B. How much it is? 7776. 7776. What will be its HCF? What is the formula for HCF? We have the formula. HCF is equals to A into B by LCM. A into B is nothing but our product of numbers. What is product of numbers? 7776 divided by 216. So when you divide this number, whatever the answer you get, that is your LCM. Okay. So now let us divide it. Okay, I'm ready. So 216, we are dividing this 7776. 216 ones are 216. Okay, let us go with directly with 5 first. Take multiple with 5. So 5 6 are 30. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 twos are 10. It's 1080. Next 216. 8s are 8 6 are 6 8 are 48. Next 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 2. 8 2s are 16 plus 1 is 70. Is 70,000. If you take 3 numbers starting, okay, we have to pick 3 numbers, right? 2 1 6 3 is up. 3 6 is 18. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. 3 2s are 6 648. 216 5s are, sorry, 4s are 4 6 are 24. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 2 6. 4 2s are 8 8 64. See, when we are dividing with 3 digit number, we will take first 3 digits, so it is 777. So 216, 5 is 1080, we are taking lesser number. So this is 648, but this is 864. We don't want 800, so let us go with 648. That is 216 3s are 648. We cannot subtract 8 from 7, so if you borrow, this will be 670. So 17 minus 8 is 9. 6 minus 4 is 2. 7 minus 6 is 1. 129 we cannot. So if you take this down, it is 1296. So already it is 5 is 1080, right? Let us go with 216. 6 are 6 6 are 36. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 2s are 12. So yes, 1296. So what is that? 216 6 are 1296. So when you subtract, you will get the remainder as 0. So what is the answer? It is 36. You can write down this in your rough column. So when you divide, what is the HCF? We got 36 is our HCF. If you want, you can check it. You can multiply HCF, LCM. You will get the answer as 7,776. Okay. Yes. Next, third one, the product of two numbers is 3,276. If the HCF is 6, find the LCM. Same, instead of HCF, you will write LCM, and here instead of LCM, you should write HCF. Using that formula, find out what is LCM. Next, last fourth one, the HCF of two numbers is 6 and the LCM is 36. If the one of the number is 12, find the other. So here they have given value of A, we need to find what is the value of B. So let us try the next fourth one. Please copy down your next question. The last one. Fourth one. Yes. So what they have given? HCF is 6. HCF is equals to 6. LCM is 36. Okay. Next, one of the number is 12. One of the number is 12. Nothing but A. One of the number, this is A. What is the value of A? One of the number is 12. Now we have to find the other number, nothing but B. What is the formula to find B? So we know we have the formula for B is equals to HCF into LCM by A. Right? What is HCF? HCF is 6. LCM is 36 by A is nothing but 12. So if you multiply this two, we will get our answer. What is 36 6 are? So 6 6 are 36. If you multiply, so 6 6 are 30. 6 6 3 are 18. 18 plus 3 is 20. What? So this is 216. So let us divide this with 12. In 12 table, 12 2s are 24. Here it is, when we are dividing with 2 digit number, if we take 21, 12 2s are 24. Let us take with 1s are 12, 1s are 12. 2 minus, we cannot subtract 2 from 1, so if we borrow, this is 1, 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. 1 minus 1 is 0. If you carry on this 6, 12 8s are 96. Wait for this 6 versus 8, 2 8s are 96 waves. 2 8s are 96. 96 minus 96 is 0. So what is the other number? The other number is 18. The value of the other number is nothing but B is 18. Okay. So with this we have come to an end of exercise. number 3.6. So soon we'll meet you in our next class. So I hope you remember your homework, only 2 problems. Okay. In first bit, second one, Roman number 2, and third question. Yes. So okay, we'll meet in our next class. Till then, take care.